Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the preparation of alkene. So how can we prepare alkene? How many steps are there? How many ways are there? So let's just talk about the first way. The first way is we can make it from ethyl chloride. So alkyl group, the ethyl is from the alkyl group. So let me just put you up there. So ethyl or alkyl group is a type of group where, let's say in case of ethyl, that is ethane. Ethane will be like this, right? So there will be H, 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 and H. So when it is alkyl or ethyl, just erase one hydrogen from its bond and add with the letter after the ethyl. So as it is ethyl chloride, we'll add chlorine. So that's a new substance add substituting H. So what will be the new formula of this one? It will be C. How many carbons are there? Let's say C2, H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C2H5, and just add the substitution one, that is the Cl, C2H5Cl. So this is called the ethyl chloride. Also, it is written as um, the CH3, as there are CH3 there, nothing changed. And in this case, the other side, so it's divided into two parts and written. So bond CH2Cl. So that's how you write the two different ways. So now we move on to our main discussion of preparation of alkene. So from ethyl chloride. So we just saw ethyl chloride, which is C2H5Cl, and from that you're just gonna add NaOH. Why are we adding NaOH? Because we need to substitute, we need to get rid of that chlorine that is present in that bond, the first bond in ethyl chloride. So for getting rid of chlorine, we're just gonna find a good pair for it. So what's a very good pair for chlorine? We have read it from a small class, sodium chloride. So we're just gonna add sodium, and but sodium cannot be alone here. It has to have a partner with it. So for the partner, we're adding OH, NaOH, and these two will react and they will produce ethene, that is C2H4, that is the ethene, and it will produce NaCl as expected, and the extra hydrogen will react with the OH, the hydroxide of the Na in the reactant, and produce H2O. So let me just briefly discuss this one only. So in C2H5Cl is like this: C2H5 and Cl. So just like this, and there is Na bonds O bonds H, NaOH, and there, and what will happen? First of all, one hydrogen from there, this hydrogen will react with these two things, and produce our last product, which is H2O. H2O. Okay, the eraser is not working. H2O. Okay, and the other things here, that is the Na and the Cl, they will go together and form NaCl there. And what is left? What is left is what we want right now. So these things are the things we want, and we got our C2H4. So Bazinga, oh sorry, Eureka, we got it. And now let's just find out our second way of making alkene. So we can make alkene from ethanol also. Let's take ethanol. And how can we produce ethanol? Is, you know, an alcohol, as it has OH. So its formula is C2H5OH. So that's the formula of ethanol, C2H5OH. And in the presence of a catalyst, so in the previous reaction, no catalyst, nothing was required. It just automatically did that in atmosphere. But now we need some catalyst. So in work, there will be H2SO4. Very important thing here. And we will just break the bonds needed and produce our all wanted C2H4 ethane and some products H2O. So I'm just not gonna determine the structural definition, the structural description. You just do it at home and try it yourself. You can find out the structural definition. And the third way, is there any third way? I guess not. So these are the only two ways you can produce alkene for just now.